Hello everybody. This is a re-upload of my personal website project overview video because apparently the Microsoft video editor does not include audio when you like when you finish making the video and export it, even though there's audio in the videos. So just gonna redo it. Gives me an opportunity to do it better anyways. So basically, I just want to talk about this project that I started on the 1st. It is the 4th right now. And basically it was to make myself a personal website. And so right now, this website is not developed, or deployed, I'm sorry. It's not deployed, so as you can see, it's coming from my Ubuntu, like remote host. But basically this is where we're at. We've got this much so far. And so the goal was to make it look like an Amazon product page, and I'll go through the code in a little bit. Um, but to compare it, let's click on that. This is what a real Amazon products page looks like. They've got your price, shipping, all that stuff. Sign in. Let's remove to delete. There we go. Now go back. Ugh, update. Yeah, there we go. So this is what a normal product page looks like. I added like little twists, like for example, instead of saying add a protection plan for like a warranty, I put like add a return offer because for computer science, or probably all engineering internships, sometimes they offer like top interns return offers to come back the next summer, to come back after graduation. So that was kind of like a little twist. Other things are like, oh, who manufactures it, Mr. and Mrs. Bergstein or whatever. But essentially, it's a little page. It's not done yet. This is sticky, just like on the Amazon page. The image will follow you down. As you can see here, this image is going to follow me as I scroll down until a certain point. And then what I'm doing down here is I still have to make this footer, which I just added and then put a little button. And I have to, instead of doing like recommended products or products related, whatever, I'm going to be putting like these project overviews down here so that a recruiter or an employer can see that kind of stuff. But essentially what we've got going on here is we've just got HTML, CSS, and a tiny bit of JavaScript. So this is our HTML file. We've got some JavaScript up here. This JavaScript essentially makes it so that when I click add to cart, a 1 comes up over here. So that's what this little script is right here. This one right here brings in this file's JavaScript, which this makes this text continue on loop, retyping all the different things that I have in that array. And let's see, what else is there to cover? So this is the HTML. This is kind of like the content of the website. All the white is like what's actually written on the site. All of the orange is usually going to be either a source in the event that it's like an image or a video. So for example, this right here. Or it's going to be an ID or class, and the IDs and classes are used for styling. So basically this is just the content of the web page right now, and then there's another script down here. And here's our styling. So I did my styling horizontally just because it was taking me so long to scroll through the hundreds and hundreds of lines of style. So basically I have all this styling based on the different IDs and class names for all the different divs and elements to make it look somewhat relative to a Amazon products page. And this is not to steal any intellectual property or anything like that. This is just because I'd love to work at Amazon one day. I thought it was a cool idea. And yeah. So and I'm not going to be making any revenue off of this. You can't actually purchase me. But that's where we're at right now. And I'll leave the GitHub link to this repository in the description so that you guys, if you want to follow up with updates, because this is just version 1. I will be doing probably a few more versions in the future, or a couple more at least, I'm thinking. And if you want to see developments, you want to see how I do it, this is going to be kind of the place that you're going to want to go. And yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and have a good one.